All dear warriors, here I am with a new video relating to set off and carry forward related one question. Question number 3. Srimati Lata Devi has submitted the following particulars of income. Compute the particulars of income. Compute the tax liability of her. Income from let out house urban area 3,65,000. Income from let out house rural area 78,000. Loss from self-occupied house 44,000. These two incomes are house property income. From that current year loss intra-head we can adjust 44,000. Income from manufacturing business 7,20,000. Loss from car distribution business 3,75,000. These two are non-speculative. One is 7,20,000 income is there, in another 3,45,000 loss. You can set off it from business income because both are non-speculative business. Then short-term capital gain 1,20,000 normal income. Long-term capital gain 72,000. Please remember this is special income which is taxable at the rate 20% flat rate, right? So let us see the solution relating to it. So statement showing set off and carry forward of losses of Srimati Lata Devi for the assessment year previous year 21-22 and assessment year 22-23. Okay, computation of total income, question number 3 we are doing. Okay, see here particulars, intra-head adjustment, inter-head adjustment, after set off of carry forward, set off of current year and carry forward losses. Income from house property head. Income from house property urban let out is 3,65,000. Income from house property rural area let out is 78,000. From that deduct the loss from self-occupied house 44,000. If you deduct after intra-head adjustment, it is 3,99,000 taken for inter-head adjustment. Okay. Next we are having business income. So let us see the business income related information. So income from business or profession, income from manufacturing business 7,20,000 less loss from car distribution business. These both are non-speculative business. So non-speculation business loss can be set off from business non-speculative business income, even from speculative business income. Any business you can set off, only speculative business will be deducted from speculative. So from 7,20,000 if we deduct 3,45,000 inter-head adjustment, for inter-head adjustment it is 3,75,000. Short-term capital gain 1,20,000, long-term capital gain 72,000. This is special income. Okay, this is special income, we need to calculate separately. So after doing intra-head adjustment we got house property inter-head के लिए 3,99,000, business profession head 3,75,000, capital gains head 1,92,000. So take it to the outer columns directly and total income together. Total income after all this. So 3,99,000, 3,75,000, 1,92,000 together it is 9,66,000. Less deductions under section 80C2, 80U, nothing is given in this question, so don't deduct. So after that total taxable income is 9,66,000, but in this 72,000 special income is there. So 9,66,000 minus 72,000 special income. Okay, 9,66,000 total income minus 72,000 special income. If you deduct, normal income will be 8 lakh 54,000, right? 54,000, 8 lakh 54,000 is our normal income. Let us see the computation, tax liability computation. Computation of tax liability. Okay, so tax liability computation of tax liability of Srimati Lata Devi for the assessment year 22-23. Tax on normal income, slab rate tax 8,94,000, sorry I said 54, it is 94, from what we call 9,66,000 we are deducting 72,000. So after deducting that we are getting 8,94,000 as normal income. On this, up to basic exemption limit 2,50,000 nothing is taxable. 2,50,000 to 5 lakhs, in between 2,50,000 is there, on that 5% 12,500. 5 lakhs to 8,94,000 second slab is up to 10 lakhs, but our total normal income is this much only, so it is restricted to 8,94,000. So 3,94,000 in between, from 8,94,000 if you deduct 5 lakhs, it is 3,94,000 into 20%, 78,800. Total tax at slab rates together, these two, 12,500 plus 78,800, 91,300. Tax on special income flat rate, long term capital gain 72,000 into 20%, 14,400. Tax before HEC, together these two, 1,05,700. Add HEC 4% on 1,05,700, 4,228 we are getting. If you add those two, total tax liability will be 1,09,928. Okay, after rounding off under section 288B, because it is 28 in the last, so it should be rounded off nearest to rupees of 10, so it will be 1,09,930. Here ends the answer. So फटाफट धनाधन 8 minutes में अपन एक लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन देख लिए हैं. This is how you need to do set off and carry forward of losses. Hope you understood it. हाँ, कोई स्क्रीनशॉट लेना चाहे तो ले लीजिए. This is statement and this is another statement, tax liability statement. सीखते रहो, क्योंकि सीखना बन तो जीतना बन. जय हिंद.